got a target. Grab whatever.
Okay, wait, hold on, Mike, come here. Everybody back theirs real quick. I just seen a clip of you saying they want a fucking Hellcat.
Nah, they was joking.
So Target.
Yeah, Target.
Not too much.
They ain't gonna get them. I already told them in the car.
They gonna be there, just doing their thing. And whatever happens, happens.
You ain't gonna stop. You got a truck?
Why yours?
I already put them on game. This is the opportunity of a lifetime.
It's gonna be $1,406.
Look, $1,400. Y'all did good. I thought it was gonna be crazy.
Is $1,400 really that easy to pay for Kai?